In this video, I will be showing you how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Let's get started. First, you just have to log in or create an account here in Canva. So you can type Canva sign up. Then you have to click the very first link that appears here. Once you have added your email address or connected your Google account, then you can now start editing your images or anything here in Canva. Also, you can go to plans and pricing and other features above to see and compare the features that you can unlock once you upgrade to Pro. But it's okay because, even if you're using the basic version, you can still use tons of features here in Canva. To start, all you have to do is to click this Create a Design button right here and then choose which category you want to open. For example, if you want to create a banner or a video, since we're talking about video here, so you have to look for a video. You have also the size there. Now, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, if we go to this area, you see templates that you can use for your videos. So let's just say if you want to use this template right here, and you just have to replace the video or the feature, which is you can upload a video by tapping this uploads and import a video from your file. Let's just say if you want to use this one or change this, if you want to edit the fonts, if you want to edit the background. It's the good thing about Canva, okay? So there are tons of things you can change here. The background, the font color. You can also animate, add effects, change position, and you can delete it and, add a video that you want to use for this template. So as you can see, I have added or downloaded some videos from a free website. Okay, so these videos are for free. So let's just say I created this video and all I have to do is to upload this, import this from my file to Canva. I can resize this by stretching the circles to the size that I want to. Okay, so this is the first video, and actually you can add more by dragging the video to this section right here. And you can also trim this video if you want. Okay, you can also lower down the volume or the sound, or you can unmute your video sound if you want to. So for this time, I just want to decrease the volume. Now I want to add more videos because I will be adding text to speech here. So I will be showing you at least two websites where you can add a text to speech. So let me drag these videos first. And actually you can simply edit the video and then resize the video if you want. But before that, let's just go to this website first. This is a free text-to-speech website called TTS MP3. So all you have to do is to paste or enter the text here and then look for that language and a voiceover that you want to include. So for mail, for example, for professional, for animation, you can preview the voice of that character before you download it. So by reading, you will have the option to change the character's voice. So you have tons of characters here to choose from. Okay, click read. And then once you're okay with that, then you can download this as MP3. Okay, so you will see it above that you're starting to download the audio file. Then after that, what you're going to do is to just go back to Canva and then import the audio. But before that, I'm going to show you this another website again, Voice Maker. And it's the same thing. You just have to paste or enter the text here. You can choose a voice effects, change this one, this audio settings if you want. Now change the character. So this one is for Pro. So I think it's not available. Okay, you need to upgrade your plan here in order for you to use this voices because these are pro. Now, if you want to use a free voice, then you can look for default voices. As you can see, if I try to use any voice here under pro, then if I go back or click submit, then unfortunately, I cannot convert this to speech or I cannot use this one because I need to upgrade my plan. So Never waste your time to go to Pro if you are not, if you're just using the basic version. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for a default. Okay, so let me go back and go to default of voices. And then this time, I want a female voice because I'm a female. Then I can preview or I can listen to the voice by tapping this play button right here before selecting it. So, for example, I want to use this character's voice, then convert to speech. And then after that, I can download this by tapping this download icon here. Then I have my audio file now. So once you have added all the text here and then convert this text into speech and you found the right character's voice or voiceover for you, then you can go back to your Canva. And then after that, all you have to do is to simply add this audio or import this audio to your Canva, like the one you did when you import your videos to your Canva. So let me show it to you now. First, let me go to Canva and then go to upload files. Okay, and then import the audio. For example, this one. Okay, import the audio. These are the audios. And same thing, you just have to drag this audio to the lower part of this video. Okay, and then feel free to trim, feel free to cut if you want or change this. You can change this by going again to this two websites and then add text again, download, and then upload it here again in Canva. So as you can see, I am now dragging this voiceovers here below the video. Okay, so you just have to repeat and do it again and again till you finish the video with its corresponding voiceover. So what I did here with this video is just like a narration. So I'm just trying to introduce the forest, I mean animals in the forest, something like that. And actually, once you have added this audio, then you can now start editing your videos too. And then in Canva, you can change the color of your video if you want. You can trim, you can cut, you can even add a background to this. You just have to, adjust the size of your video and add a background. So this time, I want to increase the volume of my video and at the same time with my audio. So this is the result if you want to know.
Leaf whispers tales of the earth's enduring spirit, tapestry, life. In this vast expanse.
So that was the result, and feel free to add more if you want, like elements, text, okay, effects, okay, and then also transparency, animate. So everything is up to you. You can do a lot of things here in Canva. So for example, you want to look for an element. For example, let's just add a cloud here, like cloud, something like that, trees. Okay, so you have to look for something which you think can add something to your video, can add a more colorful life to your video. So you can add this one, but everything is up to you. Let me delete this one because I think it's not good for my video. But if you want to add more elements to your video, if it's not about forest, if it's animation, a market, a school, or let's just say a park, then there are tons of elements that you can add here. Now let's move on to text. So in order for you to add a text, you just have to click text and then you can see tons of styles here. For example, this one. You can change the font by tapping the font above and change this to the font that you like. So there are tons of font here. Even if you don't upgrade to Pro, you can use these fonts and all you have to do is to paste the text inside this box here. Okay, so let me choose the perfect font for my video. So for example, this one, all you have to do is to paste, okay, the text here. And then you just have to simply sync it to the voiceover. Okay, so you just have to copy, paste the text. Okay, so this is a sample and feel free to change the font again. Okay, you can also add effects to the font if you want. Animate your font. Change the color of your font if you want. So as you can see, if I tap this effects and then go to outline, then I can choose the outline color of my font that can make it more visible. So this will make it more visible to the viewers. Okay, so this is the result, but actually everything is up to you. Now I have here the text and I just want to simply copy this and then paste and then copy the text and then paste it to the next box. Okay, so yes, you can now play the video.
Of nature's embrace lies the enchanting realm of the forest.
So after that, you just have to copy the text again and do the same process. So you had to sync the text to the voice over so it will not bring any confusion to the viewers. Okay. So you have tons of effects here, text animations if you want it like typewriter, drift. Okay. So you can also click shift. Okay. You have this speed and writing style, but you need to upgrade to Pro, also with the direction. But for the meantime, even if we're using the basic version, it's okay. We can still produce a high quality video here in Canva. And all you have to do again is to drag these videos, add voiceover, and then edit a little here in Canva. No need to be very expert in editing. Canva is an easy to learn tool. So that's it. And this is just a basic tutorial. I know you can do better than this. You can add or click any of the recently used fonts here or combinations of the fonts. You can also look for transitions if you want. You can add more. So feel free to change and edit your video here in Canva. But once you're done, all you have to do is to click the share button. And then you have to make sure that this one is in the format of MP4 before you download. Don't worry, it's free also. So you just have to go to download, make sure it's MP4, and then click download. That's it. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.